Hello everyone. Welcome back to Mathline channel. In this channel you will be getting a basic maths lesson every week. Those who have not watched the previous lessons, please watch from the beginning and continue watching. Also share as much as possible to the students of all standard. So today I am here with a new topic that is very important. It is simple interest. It is highly used in day-to-day life. What is simple interest? You must have heard renting flat, renting shop, renting vehicle, what it is. So if you rent a flat, every month you have to pay the rent, pay some money as rent. For what it is? We are using others' flat. So for the use of others' property, we have to pay some amount, that is rent. Similarly, in the case of money also, you have to pay some amount. For example, suppose you want to start a business. You don't have sufficient money to start the business. So what you will do? You will borrow money from the bank, or that borrowed money is called loan. So when you take loan from the bank, you have to pay back after some years. So when you pay back the money, borrowed money, you have to pay extra amount. Together with the extra amount, also the borrowed money you have to pay back. The more time you use the loan, the more extra money you have to pay. Or the more amount you are borrowed, then also you have to pay more extra money. This extra amount to be paid for the use of others' money is called simple interest or interest. Suppose you are depositing money in bank. So what will happen? You will get the extra amount. The bank is using your money. So bank will give the interest to you. If you deposit money, you will get the interest. Or if you take loan from the bank, you have to pay back the borrowed money together with the interest after the particular time. It can be 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 10 years, etc. So, how it is to be calculated? With a small example, I will explain this. First, what is mean by the principal amount? It is nothing but the borrowed money or the deposited money. What amount you borrowed? Suppose you borrowed 1 lakh, that borrowed money is principal. It's called principal and is represented by P. And period is represented by N. N years. It will be number of years. For how many years you are using the money? That is nothing but period. So principal P period N. And another important one, rate. Rate is represented by R. It is given in percentage. Percentage per annum. PCPA. Percentage per 100. 400. 400 what? 400 rupees principal. Per annum. Annum means what? For a year. So what does it mean? 8 PCPA, rate 8 PCPA, 8% interest. 8 PCPA. Percent means per 100. PA means per annum, that is for 1 year. So 8 PCPA means 8 rupees extra you have to give if you borrow 100 rupees and for 1 year. At the end of 1 year, if you borrowed 100 rupees and if you give back, you have to give how much? 8 rupees extra. That is 108. At the end of 1 year. That is the meaning of PCPA. So from this meaning, we will get a formula for calculating simple interest in terms of principal, period and rate. So we'll start from this. This you understood. 8 PCPA means interest for 100 rupees and for 1 year is rupees 8. That is written here. Interest for rupees 100 and for 1 year equal to rupees 8. From the meaning of rate of interest, I started the sentence. Next sentence. So this is for 100, understood? Now we will calculate for rupees 1. What will be the interest? So interest for rupees 1 and for 1 year. Here 1 year only, here I changed. So 100 divided by 100 is 1. So what we have done? I have divided the principal by 100. So here also we divide by 100. 8 upon 100. So what is this 8 upon 100? Interest for rupees 1 and for 1 year. 8 upon 100. Therefore, interest for here rupees 1 and for we have to calculate for 3 years. And for 3 years, so into 3. So 8 upon 100 into 3. Therefore, but we have to find interest for 5,000. So interest for rupees 5,000 and for 3 years will be equal to, again you have to multiply this amount by 5,000. 5,000 into 8 into 3 upon 100. Upon 100, understood? So look at these numbers. What is 5,000? So we got the answer. We calculated the interest for rupees 5,000 and for 3 years at the rate 8 PCPA. So this is the calculation. 5,000 into 8 into 3 upon 100. So 5,000 is nothing but P. 8 is nothing but R. N is nothing but 3 upon 100. So in this formula upon 100 is there. So we got a formula for calculating simple interest. P into R into N upon 100. Understood why upon 100? Here in the second statement, this 8 is 400. So we calculated first for 1 rupee. Then calculated for 5,000. What is the given value of P? So we derived a formula for calculating Simple interest if principal is given, rate is given and period is given. Period will be number of years. So if you know these values, you can calculate simple interest. And amount to be paid up at the end of the period will be equal to what? Principal also you have to give, the borrowed money also you have to give, plus interest. So 5,000 plus, here the calculated amount is 1,200. 5,000 into 8 into 3 upon 100. This 0 you can cancel. Then 50 into 8 into 3 is 1,200. So 5,000 plus 1,200, 6,200. So if you borrow money, a rupees 5,000 at the rate 8 PCPA and for 3 years, therefore at the end of 3 years, you have to give 6,200 rupees. 5,000 plus this interest, calculated interest, 1,200. If it is more, if it is 10,000, then again it will be more, interest will be more. Again, if n also increases, if it is for 5 years, again the interest will increase by using this formula. Understood how this formula is obtained? By deriving from the meaning of percent per annum. Clear? So this is the formula for calculating simple interest. So understood what is mean by simple interest? It is the extra amount paid for using others' money. Clear? So if you deposit money in the bank will give interest to you. If you borrow money from the bank, you have to pay back amount as well as interest. Clear? That is the end of the lesson today. Thank you for watching this lesson. Please share and forward as much as possible. See you next week with a new topic. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you.